Hello everyone, my name is Chocoblub and welcome back to another video. This is my officially first ever 6 fan art challenge video. Technically this is half of the video, but I'll get to that later. Firstly, to begin with, I chose 6 of my favorite animes and I picked a single character from every single one of them to redraw a chibi version of it. You will see 3 fan arts from this video: Megumi from Jujutsu Kaisen, Sakura from Naruto, and Todoroki from My Hero Academia. I am reopening my OC redrawing thing that I used to do on Instagram. So if you want me to draw your OCs, then you can send the photos in the DM of my Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. So let's get started. The base tips and techniques, the way I draw chibis, are pretty much same. If you have seen my chibi tutorials, you know what exactly I'm talking about. But in case you don't, I start off with a circle, then I add my rounder cheeks and bigger ears. Here I am drawing a male chibi, so the eyes are technically going to be more of a sharper side rather than a rounder shapes, and there are going to be least amount of lashes than the female versions. In case of Megumi, I have given him the generic serious kind of not so funny bored expression that you always have, and let's draw his spiky hair. In my opinion, this was my first ever Megumi fan art that I ever done, but I think it's turned out pretty cute, honestly. Sketching portion is done and we're going to move on to the line art. I used to do a black line art and then color it later, but these days I find directly using color on my line art much more easier and it saves a lot of time, so I'm going to do that. As always, if you have any video ideas, any feedback or anything, any type of video you want me to make sure to leave a comment below. I read and reply to all of your comments. Alright, so at the beginning of the video I told you that technically this is the half video, which means I am dividing the entire 6 fan art thing into 3 fan art in each video. I hope that makes sense, which means this is the part 1 of the anime version and there going to be a part 2 where I will do the rest of 3 fan arts. Drawing Megumi was kind of easy because of his straightforward color palette. His hair is just simple black and a very dark purple or mauvish kind of outfit. So it took me the least amount of time among the 3 chibis that I made today. I just realized that I might sound very serious or grumpy in the voiceover, but promise that I'm not. Just life had been really busy, so it took me a little bit long to actually film and sit down and edit the videos. So I'm sorry if I sound grumpy. I'm not actually. I'm trying my best to smile and talk with you guys. My last video was about a chibi pose and you guys liked it a lot. I'm so happy that you found that helpful. I will try my best to come up with many more tutorials as you guys want me to. Now the Fushiguro fan art is done. Let's move on to our next, which is Sakura from Naruto. I'm using the same base head technique that I did on almost every single one of them. I have posted many tutorials related to drawing female chibis, so you guys might be way more familiar to that rather than drawing male chibis. So this is the same eye technique, drawing the ovals, then adding the guidelines and lashes. You know the drill, and if you don't know the drill, go ahead, scroll down and there is a video about how to draw the cute bubbly eyes, so you can learn how to. So this is the Sakura's eyes and I am really obsessed with those round eyebrows thingy. I really enjoy drawing that. I don't draw the straight eyebrows anymore. So here we go, we have the hair done. Don't forget to flip your canvas, guys. This is very important to make sure your drawings have the perfect ratios and the perfect angles, so it doesn't look very wonky. Jumping into the line art, the colored line art that I just told you guys before, the same thing, same technique. I'm going to redraw and clean her up before we start the coloring. It's been really long that last time I watched Naruto, so I kind of forgot how Sakura looks like. Not completely, but there were some details thing that I need to really check up, so I went to Pinterest, look out for some really good references, and came up with my type of Sakura. I hope you like the way she came out. I think she came out adorable. It could have been better to some places, but I'm really not mad about it. I think this is good, at least decent. What else fan art you want me to make? Of course, you can also mention it in the comment, as I told you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it takes a lot of effort and time to make the videos, and I really hope you guys enjoy this. So please show me some love and some motivations. Your words really motivates me to make further videos. And yeah, that's it. Some of you requested to do some chibi hair tutorials, so I'm really looking up for that, and I'm just doing a few researches here and there, so make sure that I come up the best video possible. So please look forward to that. I haven't forgotten that. I am on my way to make that. Here is our Sakura final look, and let's go to Todoroki from My Hero Academia. This is going to be a front face chibi, so I have to redraw the thing. This is my favorite chibi out of these three because it unexpectedly came out way better than I thought it would. So let's start with drawing the eyes. I gave him some eating position. I've seen many artists draw Todoroki cute eating poses in Pinterest, so I thought, why not? None of them were chibis, they were like original anime style, so I gave him the chibi look. Please don't ask me what he's eating because I have no idea. I just drew a random piece of food because it was cute, and we have the basic round heavenly hands. After finishing and line art and cleaning, let's start with the coloring. So for him the coloring was a little bit different because of course he have that reddish patch on his face, and we have two different eye colors, so it took me a little bit longer time than usual, but it was totally worth it. He came out adorable in my opinion. Of course you have different opinions, you are allowed to have different opinions, and you also have to let me know that. So there might be things that you like, there might be things that you don't like, so please let me know. So here his two of his eye colors. I cannot talk today, I'm like stuttering so much from the beginning. I don't know what's wrong with me, but anyways we have to work with that. Please bear with me. So half hair, looking pretty good so far. Let's add some details to his hair. I forgot to draw the nape hair thing, so I had to do that later on. Adding the highlights and lowlights of the hair, painting his outfit, and every details the way possible. Now 3 of our fan arts are nearly done, and let's place them in the 6 fan arts template. Please note that the template is not mine. I got it from Pinterest. Shout out to the original artist who made them. And let's first get our template and place our first 3 chibis. Okay, so we have our first chibi placed on the first square. Let's write his name on underneath. So there we go. We have our Megumi. Now let's add the other 2 of the chibis. Where is my Sakura? Wait, let me find just for a minute. Here we go. We have Sakura. Let's erase her just a little bit from the bottom, and let's also add the Todoroki. It's looking good so far. I hope it will look even better once all of the sections are filled. So there we have our Todoroki. Let me erase the excess and write down their names underneath. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll come up with part 2 really quick. So let's rest of the 3 chibis, and bye bye and have a great day or night.